We begin with what has already been a very busy day for Oklahoma firefighters.
Fire danger is very high right now across our state. Check out this view from McIntyre Lawn Chopper 4 as a grass fire came dangerously close to a home and some barns near Cashion earlier this afternoon. Strong winds whipping those flames, as you see right there. Goodness. The heat, of course, only making matters worse.
News 4's Sydney Batzloff joins us now live from the scene of that earlier fire. Sydney, how are things out there right now?
The fire out here is contained, but multiple crews are still on the scene. You can see one behind me working to put out hay bales. Now, much of the state is under a red flag warning until 10 o'clock tonight. The above average temperatures, the dry conditions, and the wind are making that fire danger a risk today. And the warning today is only part of a growing concern. Thursday's summer-like temperatures and bone-dry conditions adding literal fuel to the fire. Then add in the wind. The perfect setup to spark an inferno.
Those stout winds, once we get a wildfire going, may support rapid rates of fire spread and larger fires than we've seen in previous days.
Drew Daly with Oklahoma Forestry Services says the state is seeing higher than normal wildfire activity.
Typically this time of the year, we're roughly 30 fires per week. And we're pushing over 100 fires per week here as we enter into this the fall period.
Fire crews across the state already busy battling wildfires, like this one sparked by a power line near Britton and Kelly early Thursday afternoon. And out along Charter Oak Road in MacArthur, flames threatened several barns and homes. And this one in Garfield County that a viewer sent in. With the lack of rain, conditions are only getting worse.
We are entering the drier period of the year, with January being climatologically the driest month of the year, already with firmly established drought. And so there's some points that the damage is already done.
While we may see some rain, it's a matter of how frequent it is.
To relax those very dry fuel moistures, and then what kind of fire occurrence will occur from there. Right now, the outlook is rather grim. But we are looking for, a pattern change that will at least offer us some short-term relief. But unfortunately, it just looks like short-term relief.
Officials encourage you to do your part in preventing the spread of wildfires. Some of those things are making sure you're not engaging in any activities with open flames. Make sure you're keeping your lawn cut short and make sure you're properly disposing of any cigarettes. Oklahoma Forestry Services also tells us if you're working in agriculture, they've also seen an increase in equipment-related fires. Reporting live in Logan County, Sydney Batzloff, Oklahoma's News 4.